Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to give a special shout out to Wohome for sending over this product for me to try. This is the 38-inch Pro TV Soundbar, and what I love so much about it is the large size of it allows for you to have more soundstage space, and it brings out the full power of the speakers. Speaking of speakers, there are 6 that are included in this product. Now, the longer base reflex tube can produce higher sound quality and fuller sound. Now, with this soundbar, it's pretty easy to set up with the mount kit that comes with it, but you can mount this on your wall, or you can place it on a table, place it in a cabinet. It is great for those that have TVs 40 inches or above. Now, there are 4 working models here. That's the built-in DSP and virtual 3D surrounded. There is the fine-tuning of your TV soundbar with 4 modes. It is for TV, music, movies, and the 3D mode via the remote control. Now, the most important thing that I love about it is the wireless Bluetooth that is 5.0. It is very stable, it is efficient, and it has a strong anti-interference. Now, you can pair this with your Bluetooth soundbar to soundtrack your next event, okay? Your next event, your next party, or you can just set the mood when you want to relax and watch a good movie. Now, it has multiple setups. You have the support of the HDMI-ARC, the 3.5 millimeter auxiliary and RCA, the optical, the USB input, and it is fit for mobile phones, tablets, TVs, computers, projectors, you name it, okay? Everything pretty much comes with this, and there are plenty ways in which you can use it. Now, it is important to make sure that your TV audio setting to PCM for optimum input before you. Now, let's go ahead and get into this setup. So guys, if you're interested in this product, I will have all the information on how to get one down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all in my next review. Bye.